So we are here. My God. Huh. So this is their sunset point and the open air restaurant. Hi guys, what's up? So I'm in Bhuj. I'm on a work trip here. I have a few hours free. Oh, by the way, I got my gel nails done. I'm going to tell you all. I have to tell you so many things. We have to catch up. It's been a long time since I've vlogged in English. So yeah, I have a few hours free to myself and I have planned out my entire chilling session. So I thought I'll take you guys along with me to chill with me. So welcome to the chilling session. By the way, this is my room and it's beautiful. Like, I have already started planning my dream house and this is the sort of room I would like my living room to look like. Like, just look at how beautiful it is. It is so colorful and I love mirrors, not those plastic mirrors, the real mirrors. Do you look at this? Do you look at this? I mean, beautiful curtain, beautiful bed sheets. Pardon me, I just got the room clean. It doesn't look like that because it has my stuff all over it. Never mind. Do you look at the wall? And so cute, like so cute. Alright. So, oh yes, and I would like my living room door to look like this and have this. I'm looking in the flip screen. Alright. So I have a few things to tell you guys. Why am I in Bhuj? Oh, my outfit, because I passed through a mirror. That's me. Hi. So this is my outfit of the day. And I absolutely love it. These are these beautiful foil printed deers, and I had got this night suit from House of Fraser last year and I had thought of wearing it on my birthday last year, but did I wear it on my birthday? No. Anyway, I'm wearing my Clarks shoes, of course. Can't live without these when I'm traveling. Sindhi New Year is coming and I'm super excited about it. That's why I've got so many new clothes here to wear. I haven't got my tripod because I thought I would get no time to film. And I was an idiot. Well, there were luggage restrictions as well. Now, coming to the point. Why am I in Bhuj? So there is this Jhulelal Tirth Dham that is being built as the biggest Sindhi Dham in the world. And they have invited me here. I'm helping them a little bit. So on 7th, this month, the Sindhi New Year, Cheti Chand, 7th April. By the time you see this vlog, it would have already been, have gotten over, the New Year and the event both. But still, nevertheless, Happy New Year, Happy Cheti Chand to people watching. So I'm here to celebrate the New Year with those people. They are inaugurating a small temple within the entire huge mammoth project. So yeah, the 7th event, the event on the 7th is going to be quite exciting. I'm very excited, and because I wanted to go all out and celebrate the New Year, I went and got my hair done before coming here, just blow dry, no big thing. And I got my gel nails done for the first time ever from India in Bandra, no, in Juhu. I went to Juhu, Tipento, and my God, that nail spa place was so beautiful. She worked on my nails for an hour. Can you believe it? Like hour. That manicure was worth it. I mean, you can see it. You can see it. I mean, you can see how pretty they look if my camera chooses to focus. And they won't chip. I hate nails when, you know, I hate nails with chipped in nail polish, and I'm in that, and I'm in those nails all the time. So yeah, I wanted something non-chipping. Alright. I've ordered some fresh fruit juice, watermelon juice. You know how much I love watermelon juices. And the Regenta chef special burger, something. So in this beautiful chilling out session that I have planned for myself, one of the first things to do was clean the makeup brushes. Beautifully laid out, real techniques. Everything is real techniques except a few brushes. I love cleaning my brushes. I love doing my makeup, so I find this whole process very therapeutic. And that is done. Cleaning the brushes is done. Now, firstly, I am waiting to start my own blog. I have already written a few blog entries on my laptop, like written them out. I am just waiting to get beautiful pictures clicked because I love styling myself and I want to get into that styling space. You know, I've been waiting for it since years, so I already have taken baby steps towards it. I am missing having a photographer here who would take good pictures of me, like in the attire that I'm wearing right now, you know, for example, because I would like pictures of this as well. The beautiful hotel would have served as a beautiful backdrop. Unfortunately, I have nobody here to take my pictures, and I don't think I'm that good at taking my own pictures. So I was thinking, what can I do? So in this chilling out session, I thought of taking a nice tour of the hotel property because I love doing that. Now, I'm not trying to boast here, okay guys, please understand the context. Since childhood, my parents used to take us, me and my brother, holidays where we used to stay at good hotels, and I used to love exploring the hotel property since childhood. And I'm quite strict about my dad's money and my money, you know. So now I'm at a place in life where my work is taking me to places, literally and figuratively. Literally, I'm getting to travel because of my work. Now, when I was in Warsaw for a conference, Warsaw is beautiful. When I was in Paris for a conference, I was missing just starting my YouTube channel because I was staying in such beautiful hotels and I didn't have a camera on me where I could shoot. I am here now. I have my own YouTube channel and I've been waiting to do this. So I'm going to do the hotel tour of this hotel. I'm staying in Regenta in Bhuj, Regenta Resort. It's beautiful. And I asked the manager if he would be okay to show me the hotel around, and he said yes. Of course, it's a non-sponsored tour. I'm not getting money out of it, and I'm just being very transparent with you guys because I like transparency. So yeah, no money, just out of curiosity, and because I'm passionate about exploring property spaces, especially hotel property places, I'm going to do that. So that's going to be part of my chilling session. I'm going to come back and do my little bit of facial because my face is extremely dry right now. It's 44 degrees outside. It's burning hot, and I need to do something very hydrating for my face. Also, I'm getting pimples at places of my face where I hadn't ever imagined to get pimples, and such huge ones. Like, they're twinning. They're exactly at the same spot, I feel. Anyway, I'm working with my dermat on that, and I'm going to talk to you guys about it properly at length because that needs to be talked about. Anywho, let us get ready for the hotel property tour. So exciting. I'm ready.
जो होटल की सबसे हाईएस्ट कैटेगरी है.
Wow, the highest category of rooms.
Yes, ma'am.
Heritage huts.
Bhungas, also called bhungas.
Bhungas.
Yes.
Bhungas they are called. ये कौन सी भाषा है?
ये गुजराती.
गुजराती में भोंगा बोलते हैं.
और
नाइस नेम.
ये प्रीमियम लुक नहीं दिया गया, बस इसको जैसे कि विलेज लुक, कच्छ का कल्चर, जो कच्छ का कल्चर है उस हिसाब से बनाया गया.
वो विलेज लुक ही प्रीमियम लुक हो जाता है ना?
वो विलेज लुक प्रीमियम लुक बना दिया गया है.
हाँ, बहुत प्यारा लग रहा है. इतनी प्यारी ये मिरर वर्क है. लुक फ्रॉम हियर. ये देखो, यहाँ पे पूरा मिरर वर्क किया हुआ है वॉल्स पे. बहुत लाइक हट्स आर लुकिंग रियली प्रिटी एंड आई एम स्वेटिंग, स्टिल स्वेटिंग. हाँ, बताइए.
और ये सिर्फ 6 ही रूम्स हैं यहाँ पे.
हाँ, only 6 of them. Very premium.
Similar to your rooms where you are staying, they are only heritage, but these are a bit bigger than that.
Ah, okay, sure. So they have a separate sort of a corner in the hotel.
And these are executive rooms.
Right. So for corporate events.
Second building here.
Right.
And you'll find 24 rooms in executive.
How many rooms?
24.
24, right. This is a totally different look and feel.
Yes.
You suddenly feel like you're in a corporate environment. Cafeteria, rooms, right? Playground, yeah.
Plus inside the building.
Wow. Look at this artwork. Nice. Really nice. I like female body figured paintings. Wow. Looks like a nice Bollywood song can be shot here.
Yes.
Bollywood films, you know, where grandparents are sitting in the courtyard. It's a huge courtyard. It's beautiful, and I love the roof. It's all open and it looks beautiful. Is that something solar
Yes, ma'am. Solar heater water.
Solar water heater. Fancy. I like it. Oh wow, look at this. You are every breath that I take and every step I make. You mean the world to me. You'll be the only one, my endless love. So beautiful. Thank you. This is fantastic. Artwork, yeah, really interesting. Wow. All these are wooden, right?
Yes, ma'am.
This is very pretty. It's here as well. I like it. Thank you. There's a sunset point as well, right? So corporate places do get booked all 24 rooms?
Yes, ma'am. But there's also a possibility that if someone is married, then they book the whole building.
Right.
If they want to do any regards.
Right, of course. Now we are going to the sunset point and activities. I love sunrises and sunsets. And it's going to be a beautiful sunset. This is the gym. So we are here. My God. Huh. So this is their sunset point and the open air restaurant. We had come here to dine last night and it was so beautiful. As you can probably guess, it's very breezy and very beautiful. These are the open air restaurant tables. There are a few there. We were sat that side. And the view from here, mind blowing. I hope you guys can see the sunset. It is beautiful and I'm loving it. Oh my God, it's a beautiful sunset. Can't stop looking at it. I hope you guys liked the sunset. This is the property that we can see from the sunset point. Basically everything here is Regenta hotels. And the sun is down. There's this beautiful swimming pool here. I wish I had known this earlier. I love chilling in the pool. I could have chilled in the pool, but maybe next time. So this is another courtyard of the hotel. Very beautiful. They have 24 rooms here again. And I think it's time to go back to the room. Continue our chilling session. I hope you enjoyed this tour. This is Chaya, by the way. Hi. She has been very lovely all throughout. Thank you.
Welcome, ma'am.
And this is Nokib, very tall. Thank you.
Welcome.
I had a wonderful time. It was a beautiful tour. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.
Front office manager of Regenta. He was the one I spoke to and he kindly gave me the permission to explore the property. Thank you once again. I had a really lovely time. Hi guys, I was busy working. So right now this new video on the TheSindhiGirl channel is going up. 5 minute mein makeup. I have, wow, I look scary. So I have switched off the tube lights in my room. I like this sort of lighting. I love this sort of lighting. So yeah, my darling assistant Bhuj is uploading the video right now as we speak, and by the time you see this video, my video would have gone up. It's being uploaded and I have designed the thumbnail and I'm quite happy about it. So this is my first ever makeup video. Like, I have been dreaming of becoming a beauty, makeup, skincare YouTuber since what, 2 years now, and finally I'm uploading a video where I'm doing makeup on me. I'm very excited to see how you guys respond, how you guys like it. So this is the video in Sindhi language. I'll be uploading a video in English language too. I've already shot it and edited it. But yeah, I first wanted to upload it in Sindhi. And I've ordered some dinner for myself now. Tandoori vegetables, but just half. So he suggested that the platter is really good. sorry I couldn't finish the chilling session properly. After I did the hotel property tour, I had to do some work and I was so knackered because I was working till late and I couldn't do the facial I had promised myself. And for the next 2 days also, it was very hectic. It was so hectic. In fact, on the new year, on Cheti Chand on 7th April, I didn't do any makeup. Big thing for me. But yeah, new year, new beginnings, and it was fantastic. It being the celebration. Anyway, I have been back for a few days now and I was looking at the footage and there's no proper closure, so I thought I'll do a nice ending, say goodbye to you guys. I hope to see you in the next video on my channel or next English vlog, whatever you prefer watching. And yeah, it's been very hectic, very tiring, but I had a fantastic time at Regenta Hotel. Thank you to Navneet, Nakib, everybody in the hotel, Chaya. The entire hotel staff is fantastic there. If you happen to go to Bhuj, again not sponsored, if you happen to go to Bhuj, please check out Regenta if you would like to stay there. The proximity from the airport is fantastic. It's just 5 minutes away from the airport and very conveniently located. So yeah, thank you Regenta. I forgot to request you all to subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel. I make videos in Sindhi and English and I post beauty, styling, fashion, a lot of real stuff too, content and vlogs. I love making vlogs. Hope you all are well. See you in the next video. Please subscribe, please share, please give this video a like if you like the hotel property tour and if you would like me to continue doing this. And thank you guys for tuning in. I'll see you in my next video. Sending you lots of love. Bye.